Golf carts can make or break your day on the course. They're not just a means of transport, they're part of the experience. But what happens when you choose an outdated model that brings more headaches than benefits? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 outdated golf carts you should never buy. Whether you're a golf enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable ride on the greens, knowing what to avoid can save you time, money, and frustration. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Before we begin, let's go over why certain outdated golf carts are a bad investment. Older golf carts may seem like a bargain, but they often come with hidden costs. Outdated models lack modern safety features, reliable performance, and easy access to replacement parts. Many owners on forums report frequent maintenance issues, high repair bills, and safety concerns, from battery failures to unpredictable electrical glitches. In this video, we'll dive into the specific models that have a notorious reputation in the community. Starting the countdown at number 5, we have Mellex golf carts. Once a pioneer in the industry, Mellex models from the 1970s and 1980s are known for their classic charm but also for their major shortcomings. Owners complain of poor performance on inclines, frequent mechanical breakdowns, and the frustrating reality of spare parts becoming nearly impossible to find. Although these carts have a nostalgic appeal, they often cost more in repairs than a reliable modern alternative. The lack of modern engineering means that even routine maintenance can turn into an expensive ordeal. While some collectors might enjoy restoring these vintage machines, for everyday use, they're simply not practical. They are nostalgic, but not reliable. The spare parts scarcity and high maintenance aren't worth the hassle. Continuing the countdown at number 4, we have HDK golf carts. Marketed as budget-friendly options, older HDK carts can be tempting at first glance. However, their cost-cutting construction results in structural weaknesses. Many owners report frame corrosion, inadequate suspension systems, and an overall lack of durability. When you're saving a few $100s up front, you might be spending thousands later on repairs. HDK's low price tag hides a reality of frequent mechanical issues and a ride that often feels more like a safety hazard than a smooth experience. This is one outdated option that you do well to avoid. Our verdict? Budget appeal, but compromised build quality, rust issues, and a bumpy, unsafe ride. At number 3, we have Royal Electric vehicles. Despite the regal-sounding name, these carts often fail to live up to expectations. Users have repeatedly cited inconsistent performance, particularly with battery life and overall durability. Many reports indicate that these carts struggle with maintaining speed, leaving drivers stranded or frustrated mid-round. The outdated electrical systems in these models frequently result in rapid battery drain and unreliable performance. While the aesthetics might be appealing, the underlying mechanics simply aren't up to par with today's standards. Users can expect inconsistent battery performance, unreliable ride, and frequent maintenance headaches. Taking the number 2 spot, we have early EZGO RXV models. While EZGO is a well-known name in the industry, early RXV models, especially those from the late 2000s, have earned a notorious reputation. Common problems include faulty brake solenoids, rapid battery drain, and inconsistent performance. Numerous forum threads, like those on Cartaholics, detail how these early RXVs often require frequent repairs, making them a risky investment if you're after dependability. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Icon EV. Despite its sleek design and modern look, many owners have discovered that the beauty of the Icon EV is skin deep. Reports consistently cite mechanical failures, such as faulty brakes, rapid battery degradation, and even issues with the build quality that make the ride less safe. The Icon EV may look contemporary, but beneath the surface, many of the components are outdated. Frequent repairs and high maintenance costs are a real concern for any owner. While the aesthetics might convince you at first, the reality is that Icon EV's outdated internal systems make it a risky investment for daily use. Buyers should be especially wary if the price seems too good to be true. Often, that's because you're inheriting a host of unresolved issues. Final thoughts. So if these outdated models are off your shopping list, what are your options? Today's market offers a range of reliable modern golf carts that prioritize safety, efficiency, and ease of maintenance. Brands like Club Car and Yamaha have invested in newer technologies, aluminum frames for better corrosion resistance, and more robust battery systems that give you peace of mind on every ride. By choosing a cart that incorporates up-to-date engineering and safety features, you can avoid the pitfalls of outdated technology and enjoy a smoother, safer ride. Your safety, reliability, and peace of mind are worth investing in a modern alternative. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and expert advice. Thanks for watching, and happy golfing!